Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with the My Creative Time Christmas release and video hop. So you can hop along to win a $50 store credit at My Creative Time. All the information will be linked in the description box below. Plus, crafters, you can get 15% off site-wide with the code Suzanne, and that will end tomorrow night, Friday the 19th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time, 2:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you shop after the sale ends, then you'll get 10% off site-wide with the same code. Let's look at this cute gingerbread themed Christmas release. Let's get started. First up, crafters, there's a very cute 6 by 8.5 inch paper pack. This is called Festive Holidays 2025. You get 24 sheets in the pack, 4 each of 6 designs. Here's this red and white plaid with some snowflakes looking distressed. Snowflakes again. Blue snowflakes. A lot of colors in here can work for masculine cards as well. Green snowflakes, peppermint, and then also this brown one, which definitely has a distressed look. This is the reverse side, plaid. This chevron, a sort of a tiled look. Chevron again, or zigzag, and then peppermint, and look at this plaid. Love, 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 love that plaid. I love the brown. To go along with the paper pad and this collection, there are 2 styles of gingerbread ephemera. They're both pretty much the same, just one is larger than the other. The smaller one will have more repeats of the same images, and then this one will have less. This is Festive Gingers 2, Festive Gingers 1. So for Festive Gingers 2, the bigger one, you're getting beautiful ephemera pieces like this. I love this too with the car. I think the car is a good sizing to work with. So lots of bits in here, even though there is less, but the bigger sizing. Look at that. So fun. Here is Festive Gingers 1. Let me get out the car. So you see the car size difference? So you're getting more over here, but you can mix and play between them. Like I could use these over here, vice versa. But I do have them separated out here. You see? Cute. Just all sorts of cuteness with this. There's even a fun label and a house. All sorts of bits and pieces and repeats, okay? So that's Festive Gingers 1 ephemera, Festive Gingers 2 ephemera. Crafters, there are 4 die sets. This one is called the Fancy Fold Card Die. I didn't get a chance to package it, but the measurement of the die overall is 7.5 inch tall by 5 inches. This can fit in your standard die cut machine. This is the base layer, and this is also a die that works with the 3 3/4 by 4 3/4 card die. So you run this, and then you have the score line, you fold it. So it's a gatefold card. Here are the 2 layers on the top here, and then this piece would be on the inside, or you could use this separately. That's kind of fun too. Here are 2 examples of the fancy fold. This one I'm using, there's a belly band too, 2 styles of belly band. So you slide this off and you see the funny ephemera. I just put a little adhesive here in the back and you open it like so. On the inside, I could put this, but this one is adding more height to this. Plus, I would put a little magnet here to be able to close it. This is with their new doily too. Isn't that fun? This is what the gatefold looks like, and you see the pattern paper here with the green or the brown. Here I am sliding on back the belly band sleeve. Look how cute that is. Look at the pieces. Love that. Let's talk about this doily. Okay, crafters, new at My Creative Time is this fun gingerbread doily. There is this new fun outline, and these outlines in all 3 sizes here works with the eyelet doily die. So I'll put a link below. Crafters, I'm detailing and linking everything I'm talking about. So this one, which is a beloved favorite, the eyelet doily, comes in 4 inches. So that's 4 inches, 3 inches, and then 2 inches, okay? The outline measures like 4 1/8. So here I have the gingerbread doily. Isn't this so cute? I love the little gingerbread detail here, and then I put a little bit of ephemera on that. Love, 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 love. Let me show you another card with this fun gingerbread doily. Here's another card with the gingerbread doily. Loving this one. What I did was cut the outline in white cardstock twice. Then I put a little score line here, about 1/4 of an inch, glue the tops together to make a top folding card. And look how it stands up. Isn't that cute? I think this is adorable. There is the ephemera. On the inside here, I just cut the pattern paper with this one. And then I put a sentiment from the Cozy Holiday Wishes die and stamp set. This one, huge. Lots of sentiments. And look at all these stamps too that come with it. Love that. So that's Cozy Holiday Wishes working perfectly here. And look at a little gingerbread. I think this is adorable gingerbread here and more gingerbread fun. Love that. Crafters, here's a card featuring the pattern paper. This is a A2 card and that cute ginger doily die. This is the 3-inch size and one of the larger ephemera here popped up. And then a sentiment. I put a little layer here just to break the detail, but look at that red in the background and then white on the top. This is just so super cute. Loving the gingerbread doily. Up next, crafters, is the belly band. This one is the eyelet doily dies or eyelet doily belly band. And this one is the ginger belly band die. The belly band measures 8 inches tall and it will wrap around and glue in the back. So you get 2 styles of details to choose from. This will work with the existing eyelet doily that I just showed you. And this one has a gingerbread detail. Very, very cute. This one is about 1 inch and this one is also maybe 1 inch and 1/8, okay? And lastly, crafters, here is the Christmas tag die where you get 3 styles of tags with outlines. This is a mitten, a little booty, and then the Christmas tree. This is 3 1/4 inch tall by 2 3/4. This one, I'm going to go with the inside piece, 3 inches by 2 1/2. This one is about 3 inches by 3. You also get this little banner detail that says joy. You can string it in here. This can layer on top of that. Then these cute little tags. And then here is a 25 for December 25th or the year 2025. That's cute as well. Here is my little example. I turned mine into an ornament. So I cut the Christmas tree. I did white in the background and then green on the top. And I put one of the ephemera. And I punched a little hole and put some twine through it. I think this is cute to make your own cute little ornaments. Kids can work with this as well. These are fun images right here. Love the Christmas tag die. Okay, crafters, that is it. Look at all the cute cards you can make with this large card die. You can make lots and lots of cute little 3 3/4 by 4 3/4 cards. The doily is definitely a great decorative element. So are the belly bands. You can even make a shaped card. And then look at these cute tags too, which you go here, here, even here, or here. So these are all decorative elements. I love how everything here can mix, match, and play within itself. A very comprehensive collection. Okay, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to get 15% off site-wide until tomorrow using the code Suzanne, and that ends tomorrow night. Until the next video, check out all this fun at mycreativetime with their fun Christmas release with all the cute gingerbread ephemera. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye!